I need you to hear this because this is the kind of story that reminds us exactly why we don't give up. In our digital growth community, another South African woman just became a digital millionaire. After 2 years, 1 month and 12 days, she hit her first 1 million rand online. And do you know what her first words were? Thank you, Lord. I'm blessed beyond measures. She said she prayed for months and God opened the door at the perfect time. This didn't happen overnight. It happened because she stayed consistent. She invested in herself. She learned. She trusted the process. And she refused to give up on her dreams. Today, her life is changed because of digital and affiliated marketing. And now she's giving God all the glory. Stories like her reminds me that there are so many people praying for a solution right now. People who want to learn digital marketing from someone who understands them. People who just need a chance. So if her testimony speaks to you and you're ready to learn the same blueprint she followed, send me the word info. Your story could be next.